Want to make important information stand out in your PDF documents? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to highlight text in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC quickly and easily. Just follow these simple steps to start marking up your PDFs like a pro. First, open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once the file is open, go to the Tools menu and select Comment. This will open the commenting toolbar, which contains several annotation tools, including the highlight feature. Next, click the Highlight Text tool from the toolbar. Your cursor will change, allowing you to select text within the PDF. Click and drag over the text you want to highlight. As you release the mouse button, the selected text will be highlighted automatically. If you'd like to change the highlight color, right-click on the highlighted text and choose Properties. From there, you can select a different color and adjust other settings as needed. You can continue highlighting additional sections throughout the document to emphasize important points, notes, or key information. If you make a mistake, simply click on the highlight and press Delete, or right-click and choose Delete to remove it. Once you've finished highlighting your document, click File and then Save to keep your changes. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully highlighted text in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional PDF editing tips and tricks.